Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about the ketogenic diet, or keto diet as many people know it. This diet has become very popular for its weight loss and overall health benefits. However, many people face challenges when starting the keto diet, especially if they are new to this lifestyle. In this video, we're going to discuss the most common mistakes people make when starting the keto diet, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. Eliminating these errors will help you have a smoother transition into ketosis and experience all the benefits of the keto diet without unnecessary setbacks. Remember, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor or nutritionist before starting any new diet, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions. The first mistake, and probably the most common, is not eating enough fat. Many people are afraid of fat because of the bad reputation it has had for years, but on the keto diet, fat is essential. The keto diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrate diet. This means that most of your calorie intake should come from fat. Why? Because by drastically reducing carbohydrates, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In this state, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat. In ketosis, your body begins to burn fat as its main source of energy instead of glucose from carbohydrates. This not only aids in weight loss, but also provides a more stable source of energy. If you're not eating enough fat on the keto diet, your body won't have the energy it needs to function properly. Healthy fats are crucial for maintaining your energy levels and for your body to stay in ketosis. You will feel tired, with low energy, and with constant cravings. These cravings can lead you to consume foods not allowed on the keto diet, which can take you out of ketosis. Remember, fat is your friend on the keto diet. Not only does it help you stay in ketosis, but it also keeps you full and reduces cravings. Don't be afraid to include healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, which is great for dressing salads and cooking, coconut oil, which is ideal for cooking at high temperatures, avocado, which is a rich source of healthy fats, and nuts, which are perfect for a quick snack, and seeds in your daily diet. Seeds are an excellent source of fat and also provide fiber and other essential nutrients. Fat will help you feel full for longer, give you energy, and help you reach your weight loss goals. In addition, adequate fat intake can improve your physical and mental performance. Don't make the mistake of following a low-fat keto diet. This will not only take you out of ketosis, but can also negatively affect your overall health and well-being. Make sure that at least 70% of your daily calories come from healthy fats. This is crucial to maintain the right balance of macronutrients in your diet. To determine how much fat you need, I recommend that you consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist specializing in the keto diet. They can offer you personalized guidance. They will be able to help you calculate your macros or macronutrients and create a personalized meal plan that suits your individual needs. This will ensure that you are getting the right amount of fat, protein, and carbohydrates to reach your health goals. The second mistake you should avoid is not drinking enough water. Hydration is crucial in any diet, but it is especially important on the keto diet. When you drastically reduce carbohydrates, your body produces less insulin. Insulin helps regulate sodium levels in the body, and when insulin levels drop, the body eliminates more sodium through urine. This removal of sodium also carries water with it, which can lead to dehydration. Symptoms of dehydration can include fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and muscle cramps. To avoid dehydration on the keto diet, make sure to drink enough water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to drink half your body weight in ounces of water a day. For example, if someone weighs 132 pounds, their goal will be to drink 66 ounces, which is about 2 liters. In addition to water, you can also stay hydrated with sugar-free drinks like herbal tea, sparkling water, and bone broth. The third mistake you should avoid is not controlling hidden carbohydrates. These carbs can be present in foods you wouldn't expect. Many foods that seem healthy at first glance may contain more carbohydrates than you think. For example, some fruits, starchy vegetables, and even certain types of legumes and dairy products can be high in carbohydrates. Even products labeled low fat can have added sugars. It is important to read nutrition labels carefully and pay attention to serving sizes. Don't be fooled by small portions that may seem harmless. A common mistake is not counting net carbs. This can lead to overconsumption without realizing it. Net carbs are total carbs minus fiber. This calculation is crucial for those following a low-carb diet. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest, so it does not affect blood sugar levels. This means that you can eat foods rich in fiber without worrying too much. To calculate net carbs, simply subtract the amount of fiber from the total amount of carbs on the nutrition label. This step is essential to maintain accurate control. Remember, keeping track of your carbohydrate intake is essential to maintaining ketosis. Without proper tracking, it's easy to go over your daily limit. I recommend that you use a food tracking app or a food diary to help you stay within your daily carb limit. These tools can make a big difference. At first, it may seem tedious, but once you get used to it, it will become second nature. Over time, you'll feel more confident and in control of your diet. The fourth mistake you should avoid is not giving your body time to adapt to the keto diet. When you drastically change the way you eat, your body needs time to adjust. During the first week or two of the keto diet, you may experience flu-like symptoms, such as fatigue, headaches, nausea, and cravings. These symptoms are temporary and usually disappear as your body enters ketosis. It is important to be patient and give your body the time it needs to adapt. Don't give up too soon. If you experience keto flu symptoms, make sure to drink plenty of fluids, get enough rest, and consume enough electrolytes. Electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, are essential for maintaining fluid balance and muscle function. You can get electrolytes from foods like avocados, spinach, almonds, and bone broth. You can also consider taking an electrolyte supplement if needed. Remember, adapting to the keto diet is a gradual process. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. The fifth mistake, and perhaps one of the most overlooked, is not paying attention to electrolyte balance. This is a fundamental aspect that many people overlook when they start the keto diet. As I mentioned earlier, the keto diet can cause a change in the balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body. This is due to the reduction in carbohydrates, which affects water and mineral retention. Electrolytes are essential minerals that play a crucial role in many bodily functions, including muscle contraction, nerve function, and fluid balance. Without them, our bodies cannot function properly. When you don't consume enough electrolytes on the keto diet, you may experience symptoms such as fatigue, muscle cramps, headaches, and dizziness. These symptoms can affect your quality of life and your ability to stay on the diet. This is commonly known as the keto flu and can be quite unpleasant. The keto flu can last anywhere from a few days to several weeks. To avoid these symptoms, it is crucial to make sure you are consuming enough electrolytes in your keto diet. This includes sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are the most important electrolytes. You can do this by including electrolyte-rich foods like avocados, spinach, almonds, which are great natural sources. You can also opt for foods like salmon, bone broth, and leafy green vegetables, which are equally beneficial. In addition to electrolyte-rich foods, you can also consider taking an electrolyte supplement, especially during the first few weeks of the keto diet. Supplements can be a convenient way to ensure you are getting the necessary minerals. This can help replenish lost electrolytes and prevent keto flu symptoms. You will feel a big difference in your energy and overall well-being. Remember, electrolyte balance is crucial for long-term success on the keto diet. Keeping track of your intake can be helpful. Don't ignore this important aspect of the diet. Make sure to pay attention to your electrolyte needs to stay healthy and feel your best. In summary, the keto diet can be an effective tool for weight loss and health improvement, but it is important to avoid these common mistakes to be successful in the long term. Remember to consume enough healthy fats, stay hydrated, control hidden carbs, give your body time to adapt, and pay attention to your electrolyte intake. If you liked this video, subscribe for more tips on keto and health. You can do it too.